This is something that you'll find a little difficult to work with, is these pipes here. They don't want to come apart. So you have to take a chisel or whatever you got to do and clean them up really nicely, get all the screws out of it. And then we're going to actually leave it. It's not going to be done anything except for lift it up a half an inch. Just enough so we can get our plywood underneath that thing. And that's even hard to do sometimes. So I'll show you how we do that. To see this old nasty stovepipe. Of course, I'm sure it was leaking. This is called mastic. Okay, mastic is what they put around the bottom of this thing, and they put their screws to, and it deteriorates over time. Moisture gets to it, water gets in, and then of course you have your top layer, which would be your cool seal layers that they've put years of. That's what you got here. There's tar, somebody trying to just tar it, and then cool seal. This is what cool seal is like. It's one reason why I don't like cool sealing. This cool seal will literally just peel off of that. I mean, if you can peel it off like that, then it means it's really not stuck that well. And it's probably not going to be a good product for a mobile home or whatever. It just tears. It's just too flimsy. It doesn't stick. So people tar them all around, and then instead of cleaning this all up and getting all this bottom stuff off, this black stuff, instead of cleaning it up, they just cool seal over the top of it, when really the best thing to do when it's up there would be to clean it off. Clean all that off and then cool seal to that. Be much nicer. Cool seal into this old tar that doesn't stick to that anyways. You can tell it's not really ever stuck because the way it looks underneath. So it's just there. So I'm going to take this thing, clean it all up, top and bottom. Make sure it's in good shape. Get all this stuff off. This is important. And then we're going to slide it right back down into its original holes. Put it right back on. So mobile home roof vents, you can take them off, clean them up, and just redo everything.